So, hi guys, I'm Prajit Matalia, and our project is based on drop shipping. So, we have created our project in Django, Python, and basically, whenever user wants to buy a product, the user adds the product to the cart, and this request is forwarded to the broker. Now, the broker forwards this request to the supplier, and whenever supplier approves the request, the user will automatically get the message of approved, for which the user can see the status. So let me show you by sharing my screen the login page. So this is the login page. Here user enters his details, clicks on register. The user will be prompted for email verification. So now let me show you how the email gets verified. So on clicking the link, I get directly redirected to the page where you can see I have successfully logged in. Now let me show you the code how it works. So e-commerce, I go to URLs. In URLs, on basically receiving slash users is good. It goes to users.url, which is an app. Then on basically on no route, it goes to home URLs, and then product, and then admin. Basically, there are three apps. In users, when we click URLs, on login, user slash login, it goes to views user login. Now, before showing views, let me show you models. So now let me show you how redirection basically works. Uh, whenever the user clicks the link, the user gets redirected to slash users, and in slash users, we have multiple login, register, activate, add to cart, checkout. Now, as we have seen register, let me show you how the register works. So this is def register function. Request.method, we get post method in which first name, last name, email, and password are there. Now we create a user object, and if user already exists, then a message would be shown, message warning. We use message functionality which adds the queue, and then it prints the warning. Now, if the user does not exist, then we create the user by passing the parameters like first name, last name, email, and username, and we set the password, and we save the object. On basically successfully saving the user, we again push a message, success message, and then the user's register HTML is rendered. Now the model which is used is user. The user model has a boolean field is email verified, email token, and profile image. This send email token is automatically called, in which email token UUID functionality is used. UUID stands for universally unique identification, and then the basically the email instance is created. So now let me show you the logging functionality. Here, from the registered email, I log in by entering my email ID and password. So I get my main menu, and now the user can click on any product, and then they can provide other functionalities which will be shown by my partners. Now let me show you how the login code. In login code, basically we get a request of email ID and password in post, and we check whether the user does not exist. If user does not exist, then we print a message warning, as well as if the email is not verified, then again a warning is printed. But if both is successful, that is email is verified as well as user exists, then we authenticate username and password. And if user object is present, then we forward the functionality in login function and redirected it to user to slash user. So yeah, this is the base HTML code, which is some of the parties which is static, which is here. These are section headers which we use, like the search, the options of sign out and other printing information, and slash like for example the user slash card, which you can see on the bottom left corner. And so yeah, that's it. These are the two icons for header. Now for let me show you how alert works. So Django provides an message framework functionality in which the messages gets added to the queue, and uh, we look for the messages and then print the messages. Like let's say the login, I will not log in. Basically the credentials are not correct, so it will print account not found. Right. Now let me show you the login code. The login code has email, then password, and email, password, and yeah, and the login button. Now for register, there are multiple fields: first name, which you can see, last name, and already have an account, then user gets directly redirected to the login page. So yeah, that's it from my side, and other functionalities will be explained by my colleagues. Thank you.
So thank you, Prajit, for explaining. So my name is Darshil Shah, and I will continue where my friend Prajit left off. So first of all, let me share my screen. So is my screen visible? Yeah, it's visible. So I have written the products module where all the products and related schema of the products will be conducted, and it will store the product, basically the product details, where different categories of products and images related to that products will be listed. So when user goes into the UI, they can see the products. The products will be loaded from the database. So and the management of the product will be done from the admin module. So let me show the admin module now. So as you can see, I'm writing the path to navigate to the admin panel, as it's slash admin, local or slash admin. So it's asking for my username and password. So let us log in now into the admin panel and show you how the backend works basically. So the username is admin, and let me enter my password. So we are registered into admin panel. So if you can't register, so basically if you want to create an admin user, you need initially the admin user won't exist, so you need to create one. For that you need the command python 3 manage.py create super user, and username basically, uh, in our case it was admin, and the password. So password can be any your choice. You can put anything in password. So now as we are logging, let me show you the models which we have created in our admin panel. So this is the category model we have created, which is listed here inside the products. Then we have product, which is also, and product images, which you can see it's listed down below. So in category, what we are doing is when we add an item, it will be added to a category. So first of all, we will need to create a category to add the items. Like if we buy a T-shirt, so it's in T-shirt category. If there are shirts, then it will be in category. So initially, these two categories has been created, and now let me create another category to demonstrate it. So uh, jeans and shirts were created, so I am going now for another category, that's t-shirt. So I am writing the name t-shirt here. As you can see, we have in category name, category image, and slug. So I will explain the slug later on in this video. So here category name is this, category name is t-shirt, and category image we can say like the first item we see, we can guess, right? Like if we see the pants, we can guess it's a pant. So let us upload an item. Okay, just a second. So now let us navigate to the t-shirts, and let's say we select this t-shirt. Okay, so we have selected this image one. This is a black t-shirt, basically the identification of. Now, slug will be auto-generated, or we can also define it here, but we have written a code for auto-generating the slug. So what slug is like, we write here t-shirt category name. If we put a space in between, the we when we navigate to that category, we we don't have any spaces in our URL. So slug, basically what it does, it's separates the space. It replaces the spaces with a dash, and converting the uppercase letter to lowercase. Now we save this category. So as you can see, your t-shirt category is created for us. Now, uh, while we after we create the categories, we also need to add items, right? So now we go to products. So products will be attached to a category, right? If we add a shirt, it will be in shirt category. If we add a t-shirt, it will be in t-shirt category. So now, as you can see here, this we for the slug we have used the slugify, and now we are adding the product. So we come to this product model. In product model, we get this product name, category, price, and description. And now we click on add product. So we get those fields here. Now in product name, uh, we we write name of the product, like we have what the color of the t-shirt is, and backed by the t-shirt. So we can write like black t-shirt. So product name is basically the how the users will get the product name. Like in UI, it will be displayed to the user. So in category, we can select this t-shirt category, right? And in price, what we want to keep the price of the t-shirt. So let's say we keep it 50, or let's say $49. In description, we can add the description of the black t-shirt. uh, Black t-shirt, 100% cotton. So anything you can add, the user will be visible through that. Now we have product images. So we have created a separate model for product images, but what we did here is when we register it into our admin panel, we added this admin product, right? We have created it user defined, like custom admin uh, registration panel. So we write this in line, means we not just keep this product image separate. As you can see here, this lists the product, but every time when we add a product, we need to come here, select the product, and then add the all the images related to that product. So to mitigate that or to avoid that, what we do is we use this in lines. So we give this admin product image with what we have wrote here. uh, what it will do is it will list all, it will give us the conveniency that we can add all the product images like right below beneath it. So every product will be assigned the product images right here where we can select it. So let us select the image. So it is a black t-shirt. So let's say image 1, image 2, and image 3 we select. So this is convenient, right? We don't need every time to go to that product image and add those product. We can do it right here. So let's say our three images are added. Now we click on save button. Now we go to products and see the black t-shirts are here, and when we click on it, it will show us these three images that we added previously. So to show if your admin panel, the category model and admin product models are not displayed, you need to add them explicitly by mentioning in the code. We can do it through admin.site.register and pass the models.category into it. So our models will be registered to that admin and will be displayed uh, in the admin panel. So how now it's done from my part.
Thank you, Darshil. Yeah. Now I am Akshay Patel and I will continue with the rest of the explanation. So let me quickly share my screen. Yeah, it's visible, right? Yeah. Okay. So this is the main homepage of our website, and when no URL is specified, it is redirected here. Now the product which Darshil added from the admin panel is displayed here. It's a black T-shirt. So let me show you the code for it. So this is the code for the home page. The this basically it's a home module app, and here we have specified the path for it. It's a empty path, and the view which we have used is index view, which is specified in the views.py file. Uh, views.py file, basically the index function renders the index.html, and all the products from the product models are passed as the context in the index.html. We loop through the products and display the details of the products like product name and price. So that was the template. We inherit the basic navigation template from our base template. So yeah, so this is the output, and when we click on a particular product, we are redirected to the product, and the slug is present at, in the URL. So yeah, So this is the product details page, and here let me show you the code for it. So this is our product module, and here after the slash products URL, you can see the slug is generated here, and according to the pattern of the slug, we are redirected to the views.py file, and uh, with the views.py file basically pass the uh, product from the models. So the product is loaded from the model according to the slug, and it is passed as the context to the product.html. Inside the product.html, uh, we enter the details of the product. We look through the product images and product name, price, and description. All the details are rendered. So yeah, this is the output of it. So we can directly add the product to the cart from the product detail page, and in the cart we can see that the product is added. Uh, yeah, so yeah, I will show you the code for the cart, and inside the users module we have defined the path to the cart and the view. So yeah, this is the view for the cart. We filter the cart items according to the user which is logged in. We get all the cart items from the model, and we pass it as a context to the cart.html. Uh, this is the cart.html file. Here, according to the cart items, we look through all the items and display the details of all the items. So this is the model for the cart. Here we reference the user as a foreign key. We use one boolean field whether the payment is done or not. And yeah, we get the total of the cart by looping through all the cart items. The cart items model is present here. The cart item model is linked to the cart of a particular user and the product. So the product and the user are linked using the cart items model. Yeah, and here all the cart items will be added to the price, and the sum of the price will be written from get. So let me show you the checkout page. When we click on buy now, so the total amount is displayed here. We get the fields for the address and the phone number. So let me show you the code for it. Yeah, so this is the checkout.html. So here inside the users app, we have specified the part for the checkout, and the cart ID is also passed to the URL. So here we receive the cart ID in the checkout function in the view. So here first we get the form, we validate the form, and if the form is valid, we save the cart items to the database. Uh, we basically save it to the order table, and when the order is saved, we generate a PDF. I will explain the generate PDF function later on. So after the cart item is added, or after the order is created, we add all the items from the cart to the orders item table, uh, order item model. And yeah, let me show the generate PDF function. Here the bill for the user is generated. Here we have used a library. Let me show you the library. So yeah, we use this report lab library, and using that library, uh, here we receive the order ID in the generate PDF. According to the order ID, we get the orders model the from the model, and accordingly from the orders model we get the uh, order ID, amount, address, and rest of the information is printed to the PDF. The PDF is saved to the particular directory, and after the PDF is saved, we send a mail to the user along with the invoice attached to the email. Yeah. So this is the code for sending the email. Here, the file which we saved here, the file path is specifies the file which we saved, and it is attached along with the email and sent to the user. Uh, Let me show you from the UI part. So yeah, we enter the address. Yeah. When we click on buy now, uh, the email sending is in the process. So yeah, so now we are redirected again to the home page, and let me go to my email ID. Yeah, so you can see that the invoice is sent to my email. Uh, so yeah, this is the email, and along with the attachment, the email is sent. Yeah, so yeah, this is our invoice which we generated from the backend. The order ID, amount, address, phone numbers, status. Thank you for the purchase. So now let me show you the orders page. So yeah, now our order is listed here. You can see some one of the order is approved and rest of the orders are in the pending state. The orders will be sent from the pending to the approved state by the supplier, which works as a backend and which will be operated from the admin panel. So first, let me show you the code for the orders. Yeah, this is the path for the orders. It is redirected to the orders view. We filter the orders model according to the user which is logged in and pass the context to the order.html. Yeah, here we simply loop through the all the orders of a particular user and display the details, the orders. Yeah. So in the models.py file, we can see the model of the orders and order item. The basic detail of the order are stored in the orders model, and we reference the user which is logged in through a foreign key. In the orders item, we link the order, a particular order, using the foreign key, and we also link the uh, product, which is represented by the order item from the product model. So when so yeah, what changes we made in the admin.py file, I will show you quickly here. So this is the custom admin registration which we have created. Here we use the orders item model and we pass it as an inline to the admin order module. And yeah, so what it does is it links multiple order items to the orders model, which I will show you from the admin panel. And the rest of the models like order item, cart items are also registered to the admin panel. So now I will log into my admin panel. So this is the login for the supplier. The supplier use this uh, admin module. So now the supplier can directly uh, go to the orders. So these are the orders which are pending. So this is the particular order which we just placed. And as you can see, the uh, order items are listed here, the white shirt and the black shirt. So now what the supplier can do is we can approve the order from here and dispatch the order. So now we save the order. Yeah. So now the order is approved from the admin side. So now from the customer account, when we go to the orders page, now as you can see that the order which we placed for $108 is approved now, and the user is uh, notified that the order is approved. So yeah, thank you. That's all from my side. We have explained the entire project.
So thank you, Akshay and Darshil, for explaining all the features. You guys did a great job explaining the features. And yeah, so this was it from our side. We did a full effort in creating this e-commerce website. So thank you guys. Hope you liked the video.